Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by importing the 3D model. Open File, Import 3D Model, and choose OBJ or FBX. Set scale and pivot immediately so posing matches your canvas. This avoids later stretching. Once done, position the model layer above sketch layers and lock background layers. Make sure model materials are assigned and textures are visible in the sub-tool palette. Because correct textures speed up posing and lighting, don't skip this. You'll now pose and refine the model. Select the operation tool, switch to pose mode, and drag bones or control points to create the silhouette you want. Make sure to use joint limit sliders to avoid unnatural bends and use hand and face morphs for expression. Once satisfied, refine materials in the sub-tool properties, tweak diffuse, specular, and blend modes to match your lighting. This is where the model becomes art. Take time to balance pose and material. To finish, render a snapshot or merge visible to rasterize the 3D into paint layers. This lets you paint over highlights and shadows. Apply global lighting tweaks and add separate shadow layers to increase depth. Then lock the merged layer and continue painting. If something breaks, textures missing, odd scales, reset transforms, check UVs, or re-import the model with correct units. If that fails, export a new OBJ with baked textures and re-import. That usually resolves persistent texture issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.